Hello everyone, this is Ramon Phipps with The Detail. Welcome to this guided meditation for a visualization of a relaxing, quiet, and peaceful journey through a local deciduous forest region. Closing your eyes is completely optional for this meditative exercise. If left open, you will see me, as well as a complimentary video of the visualizations. You are free to access your own meditative dreamscape at any point in time. This is your space in the eye of the mind. Let's begin our walk. It's cold. The temperature outside is shadowed by the tall trees surrounding you. You walk in between two rows of never-ending, standing green peace, towering above your stature, but still welcoming. The light curiously smiles in between the trees as you walk, as you observe, creating space in your mind as you breathe in and out, as the trees respectfully and unconditionally offer you air to breathe and continue your journey. Oh, how lucky am I to be cradled by Mother. You enter a side pathway, deviating from the main line. The path less taken invites your adventurous mind. You walk through and immediately begin to be restricted in your movements, weaving between the branches of these far-reaching trees, being tickled by the leaves as you move within this environment. You realize soon that you are not attempting to move out of the way, but move within the guidance of arms forever extended to you. They know the way. Beauty meets eyes as you see water move adjacent to the roots of these earthly trees, observing the detail as the river runs free. Observing the detail as you bend on a knee. Observing the detail as you notice the smooth rocks beneath. observing the detail of every ripple and every crease. Stay mindful. This connection of water and land, the harmonious nature, I don't have to understand. Sometimes I wonder where I fit in. Staying mindful in this open space, where I am connected to nature's grace. Staying mindful and idle, and when I'm ready I'll look away, until I choose to come back to my sunny day. This has been a guided visualization meditation with the detail Ramon Phipps. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mindful content. Stay mindful.